how to summarize PDF files with artificial intelligence, AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how to summarize and analyze PDF files using Microsoft Copilot and Google Gemini, which are widely accessible artificial intelligence tools. First, let's look at Microsoft Copilot. What you want to first do is download and install the Microsoft Edge browser, and then open up the Microsoft Edge browser. Next, you want to select your PDF file. What I'm going to do is use this fact sheet from the White House on the CHIPS Act. You can save it as a PDF file, which I did over here. So once you have the PDF file, select the PDF file, click the right mouse button, and then go to Open with Microsoft Edge. So right click, Open with Microsoft Edge. And what that will do will it will open up the PDF file in the Microsoft Edge browser. In the upper right corner is the Microsoft Copilot icon. Click that and it'll open up a side panel. At the bottom is a prompt box. This is where you put your requests. Now we're going to ask the Microsoft Copilot artificial intelligence to summarize this PDF file. But what you need to do is when you reference this PDF file, you got to use the term "this page" when referring to the PDF file. So here I'm going to write in the prompt box, summarize this page. Summarize this page. You could also put outline this page. But when you put this page, Copilot will then focus its attention on the PDF file that's open in the browser. So you can hit enter or click this arrow here. Give it a few seconds and Copilot will start generating a summary. So here we see that the Copilot is recognizing this PDF file. So a lot of documents are in PDF file format, and so this is a very useful tool. And so now you can put other prompts. You can put outline. You could ask it to specifically discuss, for example, workforce development. Now a question may come up, which is, what if it is your own Word document? So let's say you have your own Word document. So this is a Word document where I copied and pasted the CHIPS Act into a Word document. So then you're going to go to File, Save as a PDF document. So you can actually convert a Word document into a PDF file, or if you have your own PDF files, this will also work. So let me demonstrate. So over here is the PDF file that originated from the Word document. You're going to click the right mouse button, Open with Microsoft Edge. So now we have the Word document, the PDF file that came from the Word document on the left side. Now to, let's say we want to refresh the Copilot conversation, go to the upper right corner and you'll see a circular arrow. Click that to refresh the Copilot document, the Copilot conversation. So now again we're going to do this, summarize this page. Then click this arrow or hit enter and it will summarize this PDF file that came from a Word document. So let's say you have Word documents, you can convert them into a PDF file, and this is how you can have them be analyzed by Copilot. So let me show you another prompt here. You could say outline this page. outline this page. So basically, using this method, you can start with a web page. You can start with a Word document, or you can start with a PDF file. Convert that into a PDF file. Open them up into Microsoft Edge browser, and then use Copilot to analyze them. So that's method 1, using Microsoft Edge. Now let me show you how to use to do the same thing using Google's Gemini. So Google has an artificial intelligence known as Gemini. So there's if you want to use it, if you want Gemini to analyze your PDF files, you want to go to Notebook LM. Notebook LM. So go to notebooklm.google, and it'll say, go to the upper right corner, it'll say try Notebook LM, click that, and it'll take you to notebooklm.google.com. You need to log in with a Google or a Gmail account. So log in with your Gmail account, and then what you're going to do is this: you're going to click New Notebook, and then you're going to have the option of uploading from a PDF file, text file, or copy text. So here we're going to do a PDF file. We're going to pick the PDF file, give it a few seconds, and it's going to upload the PDF file. So when it's ready, you need to select the source. You gotta check it off. Check off the box. If you don't, in the prompt box at the bottom, it's going to not allow you to type anything in. So once the PDF file has been uploaded, click the source, and then type in whatever prompt that you want. But here you don't need to put a reference, because when you click the source, Google Gemini knows that you're talking about that source only. So the beauty of Notebook LM is that it only will analyze the source that you give it. So here I'm going to put here summarize, and it knows it's going to be the first source. So give it a few seconds, and then it gave you a summary. I can put summarize in 3 sentences. And so it gives you a summary of that. Now, an advantage of Notebook LM is you can add multiple sources, up to 20 sources. So if I want to add another source, let's say I'm going to put copy text. So what I can do is actually copy text and paste it into this box here. I'm going to put here text. Now this is actually, if you have it in a text format, this is actually the fastest way to upload it. So now it's a text, but notice how all the boxes are checked. If you only want, what you want to do is this: if you only want to analyze one source, you check that source only. So whenever you upload a new source, it's going to click all the boxes. So you unclick the first resource, and then we can summarize this one. It's the CHIP Act document, but it's going to do the same one. Now let's say you upload 10 sources, and they're all on the same topic. So let's say I found 10 different articles about the CHIP Act, discussing different elements of it. Oh, here we go. Here's a summary of that particular text. If I want to do that, I can click all the sources, and it will actually integrate them into one massive source. So this works best if you're, let's say, doing a research on a topic. Let's say you find 10 sources discussing that particular topic, and then what you do is you click all the sources, and then it'll integrate all that information. This is great for research. So let's say you like this particular. Here's the thing though: if you close the browser, you're going to lose these answers. So if you want to save them, what you do is you have to click this pin, and it'll save it for future purposes. Now, if you want to go back to the dialog, go back to the prompt box, and in the upper right corner, there's an arrow pointing up, a caret. So you open up the chat, and it'll give you the answers. Now, if you want to copy these, you can click copy, and you can copy into and paste it into a Word document. I would actually recommend that if there's answers that you like, that you probably copy it from the dialog and then paste it into a Word document for future use, and also then pin them. Or you can just reproduce the searches. So Notebook LM, one advantage that it has over Microsoft Edge, if you have multiple PDF files or PDF files, Word files, is that you can do multiple sources and integrate all those sources at one time. Or what you can do is you can analyze, let's say, 3 of the sources or 1 of the sources. So this is very powerful. Now, how do I use artificial intelligence from a practical standpoint, knowing the weaknesses and strengths of artificial intelligence? I use it on the front end, primarily to summarize documents or to summarize text, to outline text. So, I can also use it to, if there's a specific part that I want elaboration on, I will ask it to summarize that particular subtopic. Now, the advantage of that is it helps me see what's going. It helps me take a group of text and see the overall structure of the text as well as the key concepts. However, I personally do not trust artificial intelligence to provide me an end product. So I care about the writing that I produce. I want it to be as truthful as possible. So what I do is I use this on the front end, but then once I have a grasp of what the general idea of what the text is, then I'll go on to use it to produce my final product. But that takes advantage of the strengths of artificial intelligence, but it also removes the weaknesses of artificial intelligence in that it can create gibberish. Okay. Another thing too is, so that's a powerful tool. But use it on the front end primarily to get a grasp of text. That's what I do. So these are the 2 ways that you can use artificial intelligence to analyze PDF files. And it's the reason why I made an update video is because I've made videos in the past and I've played around with the artificial intelligence, and these are the 2 best methods. And they're mature for purposes of getting front-end grasp of text. Also, you can use them as an aid to help you search or to brainstorm.